guys, what's up? Welcome back to another vlog. So today is the last, today we are leaving this place and we will go to Zuluk. Okay, so now we will have our breakfast and after that we will be heading out for Zuluk. So let's Hey guys, so now we are at Lintham, something like that. So here we are taking the permit for going to Zuluk. We have to take because it is at higher altitude, so we have to take the permit. Okay, so now for permit, like we are coming with our private car. Okay, so that's why the hotel we are staying at, they only did the permit for us. So if you're coming with private car, you can contact with your hotel, they will do it, or you can also contact any other travel agent. Otherwise, if you're coming with any other travel agent, then they will do it. But as we are coming with our private car, so that is the reason we had to do. So we have to collect it right now, so that's why my father has gone to collect the permit. After that we will go. It's at a really Zuluk, then Nathang Valley, Nathula Pass, these places are at a very high altitude, so we have to take permit, then oxygen cylinders and all of that. So we have already brought oxygen cylinder from Kolkata. Here also they are giving it, so if you don't bring, then you can get it from here. So yes, so after that we will go to Zuluk. So let's see. So some kind of road work is going on, so all the cars are waiting here. I don't know if you can see why not. So yes, so road work is going on, we are waiting here. There is a lot of fog and it's cold also. This is our car. Okay,
This is her sister.
I don't know her.
I am me. And I'm her sister. Guys, I'm a boo. प्राण जाए पर aesthetic ना जाए.
There's a lot of fog
प्राण
out.
जाए पर aesthetic ना जाए.
She's a little bit of mad.
कैंची जैसी जुबान.
So we are enjoying the weather, the view. Well, there is no such a view, there is just fog and fog. So yes, but it's very clear and very soothing. So let's get inside the car. we are now so we have reached Zuluk, and it's really cold here. It's around -1 or 2 here, so we are freezing literally, and you can see it's fog everywhere. So yes, that's it for today's vlog. Meet you in the next vlog.